Sew a hole with a stapler, wear glue instead of makeup, pin your hair up with a binder clip, bleach your teeth with Wite-out, and turn into a real superhero? Learn how to use school supplies in everyday life in our new video. A collision of destiny! Oh, how romantic! One gentle move and he won my heart! But it turns out that Alex just wants to help me see better. Hold your hair back with a binder clip so it doesn't get into your eyes all the time. There you go, that's way better. Well, that's not the romance I imagined. Whoops! Something ripped. Alex closed his locker along with his t-shirt. Now he has one extra hole, but he can fix it with a simple trick. Let's stitch up the hole with a stapler. Alex hides the hole under the seam and fastens it with staples from the inside. The operation was a success. Thanks, stapler! Alright, I'll do my lips. Eyelashes. A real beauty guru always has a glue stick in her makeup bag. We wonder why. It's pretty obvious. Jessica uses a glue stick instead of eyebrow gel. Apply the glue stick onto your eyebrows, and now your unruly brows are safe and secure. Now I'm all ready to go. Alex isn't comfortable holding his phone. His hands are tired, so he has to lie in an unpleasant position. Ouch! I need to do something about this. Tape holders will help him out. Place your phone onto 2 tape dispensers and enjoy your video. What an amazing phone stand! I forgot my pencil case today. I'll borrow a ruler and a pencil from Alex, and a pen from Rosie. I'm so lucky! It turns out that my neighbor has makeup in her pencil case instead. This pencil case is such a useful makeup bag. I can't just ignore this discovery. I'll do my makeup super fast, and my friend won't find out. The important thing is to make my eyes and lips look natural. But it looks like Jessica did too much. That's quite a look. Even the lowest grades will get scared off by this makeup. But Rosie isn't mad at her friend for taking her makeup. Let's just not say anything about it. Someone's calling. They need my help. This is a job for Superman. Alex is always ready. A shirt with magnets is the secret of his quick superhero makeover. Cut buttons off an old shirt and hot glue round magnets instead. Attach another row of magnets on the buttonholes. After just 1 second, a regular guy becomes Super Alex. Keep my secret, Jessica. I'll be back soon. Super Alex always shows up just in time. The poor girl choked. I'll save her. Thanks, Super Alex. You are the best. Thanks to my one-of-a-kind shirt. My shoelace is completely ruined, so how do I put it in? I'll use tape. Wrap a shabby shoelace end with tape. Get yourself together, shoelace. Now you are in great shape. You can start lacing up. My date is soon. Wow, man, you are so handsome. Let's check how ready I am. Is my hair tall? Is my shirt clean? Yeah, it'll do. But my teeth aren't white enough. They have to shine on my date. Where is my dental Wite-out? Squeeze toothpaste into a container. Dilute it with water. Fill a syringe with it. And pour it into a clean Wite-out bottle. Here is my little helper. Let's whiten my teeth. My smile is dazzling. My date is going to need some protection from how bright my teeth are. I'm in the mood for some winged eyeliner. But my hands don't listen to me. My eyeliner won't turn out even. Oh, Jess, you look like a swan. Don't torture your eyeliner and wipe off these sad panda eyes. Just use a simple life hack. Tape. Attach paper tape to the corner of your eye at an angle. And draw a straight line on top. Carefully remove the tape. Your perfect winged liner is all done. It's fast and easy. My friend is almost here. Oops! I completely forgot I wanted to give her a gift. I need to come up with something really fast. I'll DIY a present with what I have lying around. Attach strips of double-sided tape to a small plastic folder. Glue the smaller folder into a bigger one. Cut an old plastic folder into strips. Separate the strips at the bottom and hot glue the edges to shape a long belt. Hot glue buttons to the edges of the belt. Attach the belt to the back of the folder. Cut a small round piece out of the folder and decorate the button with it. I have a gift for you! You will never guess what it is. A stylish fanny pack? What a relief! This is a very creative accessory. I really like it. Phew! Rosie likes my last-minute present. Rosie is looking for a pencil. But she accidentally finds a real treasure. There's a jewelry organizer right in Jessica's folder. Take the mechanism out of a big ring binder. Wrap the binder in patterned paper. And stick in thumbtacks. Hang jewelry onto thumbtacks. Whoa! What an amazing find! There are so many things in here. Let's see what looks good on me. Earrings? Or maybe a necklace? But Jessica doesn't want to share her accessories. Hey! This organizer is mine! Hands off my stuff! Fine, no one needs your ring binder with accessories anyway. I can make a choker necklace that everyone will wish they had. Fasten 2 strips of decorative tape to each other. Attach crimp connectors to the edges. Put in a jump ring and a lobster clasp. Attach a chain to the other side. Hot glue a pendant to the middle of the choker. My golden choker. It makes my neck look so beautiful. Everyone can be as jealous of it as they want, but my choker deserves an A+. Did you like our life hacks for school supplies? Then comment below how you'll use school supplies. Will you make an accessory organizer, sew a hole using a stapler, or apply glue onto your eyebrows? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new useful life hacks from Troom.